I don't think people understand why we yawn. Let's break it down in 60 seconds. So, why do we yawn? Yawning is actually your brain's way of cooling down. Yep, your brain overheats and yawning helps chill it out. Crazy, right? But why is it so contagious? Well, scientists believe it's linked to empathy. Seeing someone yawn triggers your brain to mirror their actions. Basically, your brain is saying, hey, I feel you. Fun fact, even thinking about yawning can make you yawn. Try it out, yawn, and see if others around you do it too. So, next time you see someone yawn, remember, it's your brain being super cool and empathetic. Don't forget to hit that like button if you yawned while watching this. Catch you later.